Well, good morning, everybody. Whittler Dave. How you all doing today? It's a beautiful morning out. It's a little cool here in the mountains. It's still very beautiful. The birds are singing. Just heard the church bells playing. And just doing some simple stuff today. I'm going to try to not run out of time today like I did the last video. That was kind of embarrassing, but I did. But, you know, no one's perfect. No one is. Oh, listen to those birds. Yes. Listen to those birds, just kind of tuning up these edges. Oh my Lord, I love those birds. Yes, I do. This is the only unfortunate thing about wood carving. You've always got to keep your knives tuned up. Yeah, that'll do. Knives, chisels, you know, what have you. But anywho, and I apologize, I've got a allergy season. It's kind of hit us bad this year. So that's why my voice is a little scratchy and stuff. But I'm doing that show, so we gotta do knickknacks. You know, I do live in a tourist area, so we're just doing simple little stuff. Excuse me. So I like carving angels. So this is one that I've done before. Very simple. Like I told you, you don't have to beat yourself up doing art. There you go. Just kind of following that profile that I drawed this morning. Yes. It's really slow. Just go around and around. That's all you got to do. There you go. Very, very slow. Follow those lines. Yeah, there you go. And we're just going to take that. I think I'm going to raise the heart just a little bit. This is that sugar pine. Define that grain. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. There you go. Just kind of raise it up just a little bit. Take her down. Like I said, I do have basswood, but for these little knockoffs, I'm not too worried about it. And I've got tons of this sugar pine that's left over. This is just scrap, so why not use it? Why not make beauty out of it? You know? Yeah. I had a lady to pull up in my yard yesterday. I know her. She lives right down the road from me. And she asked me a question. And haven't done one in a while. I was getting ready to do one because I found one on the ground the other day when I was pumping gas in my truck. Peach seed monkeys. Have y'all ever heard of that? I've been carving them since I was a little boy. I seen an older gentleman sitting on the streets in my hometown, and I asked him what he was doing. He goes, "I'm carving a peach seed monkey." I said, "Can I see it?" And he let me hold it, and I was intrigued, and I just started carving them. I haven't done one in a while. I don't carve them with a pocket knife anymore because why not use just an X-Acto blade? It's just a lot sharper. It'll stay a lot better edge. But I started carving with a Barlow tree pocket knife when I was a kid. So, but now I just use an X-Acto knife. It's just a lot easier. It is. So I gotta do 6 of them. I'll tell you what, I mean, my old hands can still do them, but whew, is that hard on the old fingies. But they're very small and they're very hard. If anybody's never carved some kind of a nut or a seed, and I'll show you one here in a minute. Let's get this angel set down. Oh, I love them birds. That's why I like carving outside. They're just a singing. I could live in a tropical forest, or jungle, I mean. Just listen to the birds and carve every day. Did some more trees yesterday because I said I got that show coming up. And those trees are pretty popular here. And after that show, it's just going to be Johnny on the Christmas. And like I said, I'm doing a different Christmas this year. Not going to have too much high dollar because our country's in a very stressful moment right now. Money is very hard to come by. So I want people who come here can afford stuff. So I'm just going to do little knockoffs, stuff like that. Nothing really fancy. Just like this little angel holding the heart. I think she's pretty when she's done up. Just do the smalls. I think I'll probably do a couple more like these, and I can always paint the hearts a different color. Yep. There goes the junker. This guy has a big old truck, big old flatbed on it, and he drives around, and we give him all our junk, and he's a scrapper. Makes good money at it. He really does. So anytime we got scrap metal or anything like that, or somebody's got an old refrigerator or old stove or whatever, they just drop it off here at my house, and I call him, and we don't have to haul it out to the dump or anything like that. It's already taken care for us. And then we don't have to waste gas, and he makes a little bit of money, and hey, that's what makes the world go around. Everybody's happy about something, Let's see what she's looking like. Yeah, see? Very simple. She's got a lot of swoop-de-doo to it and little whoop-de-doo. Yeah. Just gotta look at them. It's a little thick right here in the heart. There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's put a little neckline back in. There you go. Well, the beautiful sun's coming out. It was a beautiful day yesterday. The weather was perfect and it was absolutely beautiful. It is. I sat out all day and built and carved and designed, and my whole shop is a wreck. See? Right there. There's the sun. It's coming out. Here comes the sun. Do 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 do. Yeah. Let's get this. Let's reline this. Yeah. There we go. Oh, what did I do with you? Come here. Yeah, it was a little windy. There was a little bit of everything yesterday. It was really nice. Still ain't had any decent rain here. We really need rain bad. What's funny is usually all these states are having hurricanes. We get the aftermath. We just haven't had anything. I say a prayer for everybody that's been hit by the hurricane and all the people that's lost everything. I say a prayer for everybody. That's not good. To work hard all your life and then it's just gone in 2.5 seconds. So we got to be thankful for what we got, and then we got to be saying a prayer for the ones that has lost everything. Don't forget the people. Oh yeah. Well, I'm gonna start moving totes into my other room after this weekend. Start loading up totes and loading up things for this show I'm getting ready to do, and get out my tablecloths and see how many plastic bags I got. And got to order some more business cards today. Something I haven't got done yet. I got to order me up some more business cards. I mean, there's always something. People who say, "Oh, I want to work for myself." Well, it's not that easy. Because you're the chief cook and the bottle washer all rolled up in one. And I have been working for myself for so many years I can't even count. Golly. Man. It's been a long time. Oh yeah. Let's see how I've set this one deeper. This one here is a little bit shallower. So I want this one a lot deeper. Because what I'll do is I'll roll this heart over. what I'll do. My friend in Sweden, he is just, I'm just amazed. He's been sending me pictures, and his mama got him some wood the other day, and I showed him how to split the wood so he could carve on the corner and get 2 halves. And I sent him a video on that. And, you know, he's learning and he's growing and he's becoming a very good wood carver. He said he wishes he had a V-gouge, and like I told him, learn by knife first. I didn't have a V-gouge when I was a kid. I learned by a knife. You can cut it. You can do all that with a knife. Just got to challenge yourself. Yeah, V-gouges are nice. I own several of them. But when I started carving, I had a knife. Yep. That's all I had. I didn't have no fancy V-gouge. So, like I told him, it's nice to have one. But keep up what you're doing right now and learn by a knife. Take some of this off. She's a little high here. Yeah, her little wings. Isn't she pretty? I like doing simple carvings now. I do. You get to a certain point of your life, well, simple is better. Simple is better. Yeah. I'm hoping these allergies get over with. Mercy. I'm taking allergy pills and everything. That ain't been really helping here lately. Usually it does, but we need to get some rain and lay down some of this ragweed we got and all these different things. We just haven't had any decent rain. None. Let's just see what she looks like. Hey, yeah. Let's see. This one swoops a little bit high. This one goes a little bit lower. It could be down just a tad more. Yeah. And do that end grain. Yeah. There you go. Right down into there. Just a tad. Yeah, see? Just setting the lines. Yeah. This sugar pine's got a lot of punkiness in it, this piece. Not really a bad piece, but it's alright. I can fix everything. There you go. This will dive in deeper as I go. It's not where it's supposed to be right now. Got to get it where it has a shadow point. That's the trick. And this heart here will dive over. Just take your time. Little cuts. Don't get in a big hurry. Understand and learn the carving. We got some more people that's going to come and visit me there at Burger King. Last week I had a surprise. My good friends from North Carolina came, and their daughter is just like another daughter to me. I taught her to carve. I've showed her she's a phenomenal artist, and she does theater, and she's going to schools and studying theater and all that stuff, and I am so proud. I mean, she made the old man cry last week because I hadn't seen her in a long time. And I really love this child. Like I said, she's just like a daughter to me. And they walked in Burger King last week, and I was probably the most happiest old man you ever met. I was. Okay, see this? And like I said, this heart I'll draw over this way. And then I'll come down here, because it's this side's this heart. This one here, it hides away. That's how it does. Very simple, folks. Just understand the carving. Yes. Yes. Oh, shoot. So sick of these allergies. Punky. Very punky. Very soft. And then you're carving against that grain. So, not going to be the best. Know some. Let's see. There it is. Very simple. Very simple. I'm hoping all this shows up because we got a lot of sun. I'm going to show you real fast peach seed. Let's see if I can do it. Hold it up here. That's a peach seed. If you see, I've already started cutting the head. And yeah, I use an X-Acto knife because my hands can't do it with a pocket knife anymore. They are hollow on the inside. I know this is really hard to see, but the first thing you do is you get the head set. This is the peach seed monkey. Inside of a peach, you have a little pit. Pits. Just like this. There's a monkey right there. Or a basket. Or I've done turtles. I've seen squirrels carved out of them. I've seen a lot of things, but I've always done the monkeys. I did do a basket for a lady, I think it was last year or so. Got to get that jawline is what I'm doing. Right around your jawline. And see, I've already got the forehead. See, I've already got the forehead right there. And see, I'm just cutting that jawline. I don't know if you can see this. It's very hard to see. And I'll make a necklace out of these. I used to glue them on pennies. Now I've got little eye sets. And I drill the top. I use CNA glue. And I make necklaces out of them. Yes, I do. Underneath that jawline, raising that head out all the way around. Like I said, and they're hollow on the inside. Once you get that hose started, it goes. Then you got to cut the two arms, and then a little leg. He's hanging on his tail, is what he is. His tail's right here in the center, naturally. So you just, but it's just a little peach seed monkey made out of a peach seed. You can see his little head, stuff like that. Well, anywho, I'm not going to keep this one going because last week I run out of time and everything, but I just want to say thank you all. I appreciate everybody that is following me and liking my videos and giving me wonderful comments. I deeply appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. It does help me out. We're trying to build this channel for a family channel. And if you got questions or whatever, go to daveposton@gmail.com, and that's how you can send me questions, pictures, anything like that, and I will get back with you. You all have a blessed day, and I thank you.